So for me, one of the things that I have to do was really suffer the consequences for those decisions. I was paying for things, I was paying for everybody's foods, I was paying for everybody's rent. I was I should have bought my first car in cash, but I put it on a credit card. And then when I got in a car accident, I broke my wrist and I couldn't work for like 4 or 5 months. I didn't have enough money set aside to be able to cover the payments on my car. And that ended up really messing up my credit score. And then I wasn't able to go to work even after that. And then the money that I was supposed to get for the disability when I wasn't able to work, that money was delayed. So all this compounded debt mounting that I wasn't able to pay. So it took me a long time to rebuild, right? And by the time I was ready to start to take finances and take my life seriously, it took me forever to kind of get to that point, right? So, one of the things that I had to learn was I have to be patient, right? It took me forever to destroy my credit, and it's not going to happen overnight rebuilding it.